Video I show you how to fix Facebook Lite message not showing problem. For fixing this problem, go to Play Store, search for Facebook Lite, click on Facebook Lite, uninstall current version of Facebook Lite app, click on uninstall, now install again. Now search 1111 VPN, click on it, install it, now open it, install VPN profile, okay. Now click on connect. Now open Facebook Lite app. Now log into your account. Okay. Hello. Now click on message icon. You can see that message is showing. Now I hope that this method fix Facebook Lite message not showing problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.